Splendid engine. Hi, friend.
Bye, friend.
Toot-toot, Thomas. Bye.
That was fun. Hello.
Oh, hello, Thomas.
Absolutely.
Bye-bye, Thomas.
Absolutely. Hi, James.
Hey there, Thomas. What are you doing?
I've got all kinds of deliveries to make. Big, small, long, and tall.
Here's James.
Bye, James.
Hi, James.
I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor. Hi. I have to make my delivery.
See ya.
Don't fear, James is here. I have a special job to do.
Goodbye, James.
Number 5, red engine. Make way.
Bye, James.
I have to make my delivery. We should get going.
Time to roll.
Toot-toot, Thomas.
Busted bolts.
Bye.
See ya.
Here comes Thomas.
Bye-bye, Thomas.
That was fun. Hi.
Oh, hello, Thomas. See ya, Thomas.
Absolutely.
Hiya.
Goodbye, James.
Hey, watch out. Here's James.
Bye, James.
Making a quick stop. I have a special job to do.
Bye, friend.
See ya, Thomas.
Busted bolts.
Bye-bye, Thomas. Toot-toot, Thomas.
That was fun. Hi, friends.
Hello there.
Hello, Thomas.
Where are you going?
I'm on my way to pick up a wonderful load of trash.
Time to roll.
Bye.
See ya.
Absolutely. Hi, James.
Hiya, Thomas.
See
Bye-bye,
ya,
Thomas.
Busted bolts.
Hiya, Thomas.
Hi, Whiff. Here comes Thomas.
Toot-toot, Thomas. Bye.
That was fun. Hello, Whiff. What are you doing?
I'm converting garbage into fuel. That's me. Smelling like garbage. His invention.